Hi, I wanted to make this video to share my experience with the Medical Health Institute. So initially I was, looking into peptides and hormones, and I was pretty skeptical because, I just heard that a lot of places like overpromise and underdeliver. So I called initially the Medical Health Institute and spoke to Michael to acquire a little bit more information. And I was immediately impressed with just how knowledgeable he was. He seemed to really just truly understand, all the cutting edge latest science, and he just seemed very motivated and excited just to help me. So after that phone call, I was pretty impressed, and I set up a consultation. And during the consultation, it was also, he seemed to be really motivated, went through my blood work in extreme detail, asked a lot of good questions, and then we came up with a treatment plan with peptides and hormones that, seemed to really be comprehensive and effective. And after doing that for a few months, I started noticing a difference. Some of my blood work numbers got better. Also, I had a neck injury that just wasn't healing, and I couldn't really even move it that well. Now I have full range of motion, so just definitely did a lot of good stuff to speed up the healing in my body, get some of my hormones in a more optimal level for someone who's my age. So overall, I highly recommend Michael and the Medical Health Institute. Again, great guys, really know what they're talking about, and I think the most important thing is just like very knowledgeable and up to date on all the latest science. A lot of places are like 5-10 years behind. They're advocating therapies that have been proven not to be effective, but I just, from talking to Michael, I know he goes to all the latest conferences. He's constantly reading up, and also very impressive is his level of follow through. He'll always text me just articles and videos that are related to the things that I'm struggling with. He just seems really motivated and interested in helping, which overall I very much liked.